Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw BMO from Adventure Time. Let's get started at the top of our page with the screen that goes around the face. So we'll start at the very top with a straight line that goes across from left to right. Now let's round out the corners. On the left side we're just going to round this out and come down. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to come down with two shorter lines along the sides. Just going to bring that down to right about there. We're basically creating a rectangle. Now I'm going to round out the corners again and pull them inwards. Now I'm going to close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go in and add the eyes. So I'm going to draw two small circles on either side. Starting on the left, draw a circle. We're going to fill that in black. Now we're going to move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's move down in the center and draw in the mouth. So right in the center here, we're going to draw a straight line to the top of the mouth that goes across. Now we're going to connect these ends with a half circle, coming down and then back up. Let's add the top row of teeth. So from this top line, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to add the tongue along the bottom, starting on the left, curve up in the middle, and then down on the right. Now the next thing we're going to do is add in the body. So it's a vertical rectangle. We're going to start just above the screen, starting on the left. Start with a straight line that goes across. Now again, we're going to round out the corners. Starting on the left, we're going to curve around and then down on both sides. Now I'm going to come down towards the bottom. Starting on the left, I'm going to come straight down towards the bottom of the body. Now we can adjust this line later on. Go to the right and do the same thing. We come down towards the same height. Now before we close off the bottom of the body, I want to add in the components and the buttons. So just on the left side, underneath the screen, we start on the left side, we're going to start with a straight line that goes across. We're going to draw that twice. Step down, draw another line. Now I'm going to close off the ends with a vertical line. On the right side, I'm going to add a small button, so a small circle. On the left side, we're going to move down and add in the D-pad. It looks like a large cross. Starting at the top, we'll start with a short line. On either end, we'll come down with an equal length line. Now we're going to go out towards the side. On the left, and then the right. And then again, we're going to come down the ends with a short line. We're going to come in. And then again, we're going to come down towards the bottom of the button. And then close off the bottom with a straight line. Now moving over towards the right, we're going to add in a triangle. Starting from the top, we'll start with a dot. Come down with an angle line towards the left, go back to the top, we'll come down towards the right. We're going to close off the bottom with a straight line. Now down towards the right here, we're going to add a small circle for a button. And then going back over towards the left and down, we're going to add a slightly larger circle for a larger button. Below the D-pad, we're going to add two short strips with rounded corners. So on the left side, we're going to draw a short line going across. We're going to leave a gap. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to step down and draw that same length line on either side. Now we're going to close off the ends with almost like a little half circle going out on the left and then in on the right. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. Coming in and around and then out and then back in. Now to finish off the bottom, I want to make sure the side of the body is at the same height as the bottom of this circle here. So starting on the left, round this out and pull that in. And do the same thing on the right side. Now we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to move down and draw in the legs. We're going to start with the inside of the leg first, leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, we're going to curve out and then down towards the left heel. Go to the right and do the same thing in the opposite direction. Now let's round out the feet. Starting from the left heel, I'm going to curve down, up around the toe, and then pull that back in. We're going to leave a gap on the inside. Do the same thing on the right. Coming down, rounding out the foot, and then coming in. Now from this point of the foot, I'm going to follow that same curve going up underneath the body. Now we're going to move up towards the sides and draw on the arms. So in line with the D-pad, we're going to start with the inside of the arm, curving out and then down. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing, going out and then down towards the same height. We're going to add in the fingers. Now there's 3 fingers on either side. From this point, we're going to round out the finger and curve up. We're gonna add 2 more fingers along the side. So at the bottom, we're gonna curve down again and go up. Now the third finger, we're gonna come down and up, and we're gonna follow the same curve of the inside of the arm in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first finger, curving around, then up. At the bottom of the finger, we're gonna curve down again. The second finger, and then the third finger, we're gonna go around, up. Now we're gonna pull this in behind the body. I'm tucking that in, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's BMO from Adventure Time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and do me a favor and hit that like button and tell your friends about my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.